Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will discuss which is better. Is it Athletic Greens or Beyond Greens? Let's begin. Okay, so Athletic Greens and supplements labeled as Beyond Greens may differ in their formulations and intended purposes. Okay, so Beyond Green supplements aim to provide a variety of health benefits similar to Athletic Greens, but with a potentially more tailored approach to a specific health concerns. All right, so it's not for everyone. What I suggest for you to do is to check the product itself on their official website. For example, here I'm at Live Conscious Beyond Greens. All right, so here's the prices of each. It's going to be $39. Here are some testimonials for you and the suggested use, other ingredients, which they are very transparent, all right, for you. If you are, let's say, very cautious about the ingredients, all right, so they have like a label warnings and some few disclaimers, all right. Now, moving forward, Athletic Greens is known for its all-in-one comprehensive formula that includes vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, probiotics, adaptogens, and more. Alright, it aims to cover various nutritional needs supporting energy, immunity, digestion, and overall health. Now, it's basically easy to use. All I'm gonna do is mix 1 scoop of AG1, alright, with 8 ounces of cold water. Shake and enjoy the refreshing taste of pineapple and vanilla. Right, so here's some known benefits like gut health, focus and energy, stress and mood balance, immune defense, and here's the AG1 welcome kit. So for $79, you'll get a AG1 pouch, which has a 30-day supply per pouch, which ships every 30 days. All right. Okay, so let's talk side-by-side comparison for both supplements. Athletic Greens offers a comprehensive blend of vitamins, minerals, probiotics, antioxidants, and superfoods in one serving. It aims to provide a wide range of nutrients, potentially supporting overall health, energy levels, immune function, and gut health. Athletic Greens emphasizes quality ingredients, focusing on natural sources and avoiding artificial additives. Now, Beyond Greens, basically, they might cater to a specific health needs like immune support, energy, digestion, cognitive function, or even fitness performance, offering a more tailored approach. A supplement that extends beyond greens might provide benefits for various aspects of health, such as supporting the immune system, enhancing energy levels, aiding digestion, and promoting overall wellness. They might cater, though, to a specific health needs like immune support, energy, and other stuff. Alright, now moving along, in terms of cons, Athletic Greens can be relatively expensive compared to similar green superfood supplements on the market, and some users may find the taste or texture less palatable, as is common with many green supplements. Now, super greens, some Beyond Greens supplements may contain, alright, numerous ingredients, potentially making it difficult to discern the impact of each individual's component or increasing the risk of interactions for some individuals. And similar to greens, supplement taste and digestive issues might arise due to the variety of ingredients, and some people might find the taste unappealing or experience digestive discomfort. Supplements with a broader range of nutrients might be more expensive than basic green supplements due to the inclusion of additional ingredients. Alright? And our honest verdict is simply the choice between Athletic Greens and supplements labeled as Beyond Greens may depend on your individual health goals and preferences, because for one, Athletic Greens offers a broad spectrum all-in-one supplement, while Beyond Greens might focus on a more specialized approach, alright? Possibly targeting specific areas of health or including a wider variety of nutrients beyond greens. Now, before choosing a supplement, consider your specific dietary requirements. You need to consult a healthcare professional, and if needed, review the ingredients and potential benefits of each product to determine which aligns best with your health goals. And that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, we will see you in our next video.